Hello, I'm AF Steadman, and the book I have written for World Book Day 2026 is called Skandar and the Secret Element. The new World Book Day book is set in the world of my Skandar series, which is an epic fantasy series with plenty of action, adventure, friendship and mystery. Here they are. They feature elemental magic. That's fire, water, air and earth magic, as well as unlikely heroes and bloodthirsty unicorns. Yes, that's right, in these books, unicorns are not cute, fluffy creatures with rainbow-coloured poo. Oh no, they are ferocious, magical and deadly. My favourite place to read is in the park, in the shade of a tree. There's something about being outside that I really love. I think it makes me feel like I've got all the time in the world. I like reading print books, but I also love listening to audiobooks when I'm walking around the park. I have fun imagining all the different scenes playing out in front of me, and I also get some of my best ideas from my own books when I'm out in the park too. So I love reading there, and I also like creating there. When it comes to reading, sometimes I find it very hard to start a new book, especially if it's a type of book I don't usually read. What really helps me is if some of my friends have read the book or are going to be reading it at the same time as me. It's fun to talk about the characters or guess at the plot twists with other people, and it makes me want to read on. I also think telling yourself to just try it, a bit like trying a new food, can help. You never know. That book could become your next favourite read. I've been thinking, and I'd really like to read more detective stories, where you read the book looking for clues and you almost become a detective yourself. I read the Murder Most Unladylike series a few years ago by Robin Stephens, and I absolutely loved it. But for some reason, I don't always choose detective stories at the library or in bookshops, so I'm going to try and read more of those. Wish me luck with my reading challenge. If you liked Skandar and the Secret Element, here are 5 books I think you might enjoy next. The first one is Skandar and the Unicorn Thief by me, and this takes place at the same time as Skandar and the Secret Element, and you will meet characters in this book and this series that you have met in Skandar and the Secret Element, including Albert. I would also recommend Sabriel by Garth Nix. I would recommend the Fireborn series by Aisling Fowler. I would recommend the Onyeka series by Tola Okogwu. This is the first one. And I would also recommend Greenwild series by Parry Thompson.